This is our new Rotostar Bucket. It's a portable sifting bucket that they make for all different sizes of machines. They make them for skid steers too. But what we're using it for is sifting all the rock, roots. We got some Curlex in here. Pretty much getting all the rock that's over 3/4 of an inch out of our building material. It turns the dirt from this. You know, we got grass in here, big rocks, clumps of dirt that, you know, can break down into smaller stuff, and then leaves us with this beautiful working material. It's just beautiful, beautiful dirt all the way down. And we get a lot of material sifted, and then come through with our tilt bucket, make it all pretty, and it just lasts longer, easier to do maintenance on, just a better quality product. Yeah. What you call yourselves?
Butter Boys.
What does it mean?
What does it mean, Will? Gotta butter that toast sometimes, you know? Sometimes you gotta butter that toast.
Callie should talk to the vlog.
Ain't happening. Kanuga.